Well, it's a little bit cooler than yesterday, a bit darker as well. I'm doing this a little bit earlier than normal. It's actually right now it's 6.8. Yesterday it was 12 point something or other, and overnight it was 2.7. And it looks as if it's been raining. Yeah, we'll call that 6 millimeters. Well, it's Tuesday the 2nd of December. Cows are there in the field again. Sheep are here too. There we go. It's not overcast, it's blue skies up there, so that's great. It's a little bit cold.